Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone, enable developer options, and turn on USB debugging so Android Studio can communicate with it. Next, make sure drivers are installed on your computer or use the Google USB driver on Windows. Mac and Linux usually need no driver. Plug a data-capable USB cable into your device, confirm the connection type as file transfer, and accept the RSA key prompt on the phone when it appears. Once done, open Android Studio and watch for your device in the device chooser. You now move into Android Studio. Select the app module and choose a proper run configuration so the IDE builds the correct APK. Next, open the device chooser and pick your connected phone. If an authorization dialog appears on the handset, accept it to grant ADB access. Then click Run or Debug. Gradle will assemble the APK and install it to your device. Make sure to watch the Run and Logcat panels for messages. They show installation progress, and runtime logs for quick feedback. You finish by exercising the app. Interact with features, check Logcat for errors, and use the Layout Inspector to confirm UI state. For faster iteration, use Apply Changes or Instant Run for code and resource tweaks that don't require a full reinstall, but perform full builds after structural changes. Finally, if something goes wrong and the device disappears, troubleshoot. Switch the USB mode, try a different cable or port, run a dbkill server, then a dbstart server, and reinstall/update the OEM.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.